it's me and welcome back to my channel, Challenge Accepted. Today I'm going to be making a Vietnamese baguette. But before we get started, if you could do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Wee! Let's get started!
You will need 3½ cup bread flour, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2½ teaspoons yeast, and 1½ cup cold water. The first step is to mix all the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl. Pour the water in and mix it until all the dry ingredients get wet. Lock your bowl into your mixer and turn the setting to stir. Once the ingredients come together, turn the setting to 2 for 5 minutes. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes so it can form its gluten structure. Mix the dough for another 5 minutes on the setting 2. The dough should be a smooth and doughy consistency, and when you poke it, it should bounce back. Put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil inside a separate bowl and spread it around. Now let's take the dough out. Form your dough into a ball, then place the dough into the oiled bowl. Take the extra oil from the side of the bowl and lightly rub it on top of the dough so it does not dry out. Take some saran wrap and put it on the bowl, and then put a damp towel on top of the saran wrap. Place the dough in an unheated oven and let it rest for 1 hour. It's the halfway point. Let's look at our dough. Whoa, look how much it rose! The hour is over, so let's look at our dough. It should have doubled in size. In order to take the air bubbles out of the dough, you have to bring the edges of the dough into the center. Once you're ready, you form the dough into a ball and place it in the bowl. Then let the dough rest in the unheated oven for 30 minutes once more. Let's see what it looks like. Clean the surface that you are working on and then lightly oil it. Roll the dough out of the bowl onto the oiled surface. Now use a knife to cut the dough into 4 different pieces. Make sure to have an adult help you when you cut the dough. Put 3 pieces aside and keep 1 in front of you to work with. Now smack the dough on the table at least 5 times to get the air out and make it flat. Once it's flat, shape it into a triangular shape and get ready to roll. Roll the dough from the small side to the larger side. Once you're done rolling, pinch the crease. Roll it out so that the middle is bigger than the edges. Make sure it's long. Repeat the same process for the other 3 pieces of dough. Make sure to pinch the edges after every roll. Put all the dough in the bread pan and make sure you put the crease at the bottom. Lightly cover the dough with saran wrap and let it rest in the unheated oven for 30 minutes. Take the dough out of the oven and preheat the oven to 475 degrees for at least 5 minutes. You need to put a pan with water on the bottom rack of your oven to create steam and help your bread become extra crispy. Have an adult help you because this is very hot. The dough has doubled in size and now it's ready to bake. We are going to start slashing the bread. You will need a razor blade, vegetable oil, and a spray bottle filled with water. Spray the dough with water to prevent jagged cuts when slashing the bread. When it's time to slash, make sure you have an adult's help because it's sharp. Take your razor blade and dip it in oil. Then you're going to hold it horizontally to the bread and you're going to do 1 slash. It has to be deep and fast. After your bread is cut, you're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. To create more steam, spray water at the bottom of the oven with your spray bottle. It's halfway through the baking process. Let's check our bread. This is what it should look like. Now turn the pan around and finish the baking process. The bread is golden brown, so let's take it out the oven.
Bonjour! Look at our finished product of baguette. Now we will wait until it cools down. I wonder how we're gonna know if this bread is good. Ready to taste test.
Ooh, so fluffy. I think that means they like it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. And just a reminder, remember you click that subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I come out with a new video. Bon appetit!